Hi, today I'm for the new Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. Unfortunately, we have not installed by default the feature, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now in the search bar we should enter Muviz Edge. After that we should install this application, that's why just tap to the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So after that we just should open the application, click to draw our apps and tap to Muviz Edge. Click switch it here, not allowed to always, and go back to the app. Then tap to AUD and select one from these available tabs, tap to apply, and now let's just check it. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.